How to make and create list infographic on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account, click on create a design and search for infographic. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Go here and scroll down, click on the list infographic right here, click on see all and choose a template. You have many templates like this one. Now you can change the title, the pictures and everything from here, as you can see. After you finish, click here, click download. It's very easy, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.